bright future. Every student matters.
Now, based on the first topic of this Unit 10, we can take the question answers here. The first one, very short question answers are given. In the first one, they have asked which book did Ghurye deals with caste. So, we need to mention the name of that book. We can mention the book name was Caste and Race in India. That was written by G.S. Ghurye. The second one, which is the most important feature of caste according to Ghurye? So, we have to mention that according to him, which is the most important feature? That is, endogamy is the most important. Endogamy is the most important feature because it restricts the marriage within the same caste group. And if this is going to be involved with, or this is going to be mixed with politics, it could bring harm to our development. It could bring harm to national unity also. The third one they have asked, give Ghurye's concept of purity and pollution in context of the caste system. Means according to him, what he considered as the concept of purity and what he considered under the pollution. So if we talk about according to him, he considered upper caste group as the purity, and where he mentioned the lower caste group as the pollutant. Because if we take the example where he mentioned that how the physical contact with the lower caste people leads to the ritual pollution to the upper caste group. So all these are the things that he mentioned based on his studies on Indian societies, where he found all these kinds of things, where the people used to do the discrimination among the different caste group based on the different factors here. The another one, what is endogamy? So we need to define the meaning of this endogamy. We can say that endogamy is to restrict the choice of marriage partners to one's own caste. So here we can define it in a single line. Who founded the Indian Sociological Society and when? Now we have to mention that who was responsible for forming this Indian Sociological Society. So we need to give the name. That was G.S. Ghurye only. And when it was formed, that was in 1952 after independence. In the next question, it has been asked the same. Who founded the Indian Sociological Society? The answer will remain same. Second part of this question is, who are untouchables? So we have to mention the lower caste people are called untouchables because of the pollution they cause, and the pollution they cause is related to that how they are going to pollute the upper caste group if they are coming in the physical contact with them. Essay type questions based on topic 1 of unit 10, that is, explain the structural features of caste given by Ghurye. So here we have to discuss about what were the important characteristics of the structural system given by Ghurye based on the caste. Here we can mention about the different points because this is essay type question, so we have to give the intro here in the beginning plus conclusion at the end. Clear? So the different points that we can take under the same answer, that will be first one, segmental division. We need to elaborate this point that how according to Ghurye, caste are the segment of society where the division has been done. And if we talk about the membership of caste is acquired by birth only. Each caste group has life of its own. Each caste has a center mechanism regarding the rules, standards of morality as well as justice. So we need to explain this first point with details. The second feature of this structural caste we can take here, hierarchy, according to which how the orders are being arranged in the caste system. Then the third one we can discuss about the principles of purity and pollution, and according to that principle, that how involving in the different deeds can be considered as purity, and how sometimes the another activities of the individual can be treated as the pollution in the given caste system. Then we have to mention about the next point related to that. We can here mention civil and religious disabilities and privileges. Civil and religious disabilities and privileges. Here if we talk about, we can mention the higher caste are always getting the privileges by taking birth in the higher group. And that if we talk about according to Indian or according to Hindu system, Hindu caste system, Brahmins are the one those who are always enjoying these benefits or the privileges. But on the other hand, the lower caste groups were there, those who were suffering from the different disabilities. For example, lower caste were not allowed to move freely, and they were not even allowed to use the Vedic rules. They were not allowed to use the Vedic rituals or to follow those rituals, and even they were not allowed to enter in the temples. So all these points or the features you can mention here given by Ghurye. Now this question, that based on high order thinking skills and the problem solving assessment, question number 1, how can casteism be eradicated in India? Here they are asking how can casteism be eradicated in India, means how it can be removed. So here we have to mention the different suggestions and the ideas which can help in the removal of this casteism. So different factors can be responsible for that, which can help in bringing that change. So first one, we can say the spread of education can play an important role in that. Secondly, we can mention that encouragement of inter-caste marriage is also going to play an important role in that. Thirdly, we can say that no use of word caste, because caste term basically we are talking about is a symbol of inequality and the disintegration and the disharmony in the society. We can also keep our focus on the economic equality, and we can also focus on one of the important part, that is the abolition of the reservation policy. So if we are adopting all these factors or the measure, then definitely the casteism can be eradicated or removed from the Indian society.